Welcome to freefocusdance.com. I'm Chris Reed and we're going to get into some basic acrobatics today. Now I'm going to show you how to do a handstand. To me, the most important part about doing your handstand is your conditioning and stabilization. So, the first thing I want you guys to practice is holding this position right here, because it's going to build your shoulder muscles so that you're able to do handstands. One leg in the air, put the other leg in the air, hold those positions. Now, we're also going to practice a conditioning exercise that we can do from like a low squat position, the b-boy squat if you will, or capoeria if you do capoeira. From this position, my arms are gonna be super straight. I'm gonna reach out in front, and I'm just gonna pick up my feet just like that, pushing through my arms as hard as I can. With practice, eventually you'll be able to hover a little bit longer and be able to hold it as you lock your arms out, keep your stomach tight, and keep your back straight. Another thing that you can do to get better at your handstand, both hands on the floor, one leg in the air. My leg in the air is gonna kick slightly, and my other foot is gonna hop. So I'm just gonna hop here, feeling all my weight going into my super straight arms. Upside down, I look like this. While I'm actually in the movement, I'm here. Both positions are exactly the same. You can switch legs. To me, it's always good to be good on both sides. But the goal here is to push through the hands as much as possible, stay locked out, keep the stomach tight, flex all my muscles, and try to hold it for as long as possible. The last thing that we can use to get better at handstands is the wall. The first thing I'm gonna do is get into the same position I just was for the second exercise and kick my foot all the way up to the wall. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this by yourself, please get a buddy, get some type of supervision. Otherwise, just go for it. Try not to destroy the wall, right? Softly onto the wall, and I hold it here for as long as I possibly can. Make sure my biceps are close to my ears, my arms are completely locked out, pushing from my shoulders, all my muscles tight. I come down when I can't take any more. The more advanced variation, my chest faces the wall, hands on the floor, toes on the wall. If you can only hold this, that's fine, you're still getting some work done. Otherwise, if you want to get more advanced, walk your hands as close to the wall as you can, like so. Now, to the actual instruction. As you can see through the exercises that's going to make you better at a handstand, you're already technically doing a handstand, just a regressed version. You can kick up into your handstand with one leg in the air, once both hands are on the floor, like so. Or you can start at the bottom in your low squat, arms super straight, hands on the floor, and jump up, like so. All right? Chris Reed, and that's the handstand.